This is how to generate a handsome amount of income just by creating custom ChatGPT chatbots trained on your own or your client's business data. Believe you me, this is the super simple service you can provide to your potential customers, or you can even use it for your own business and make even almost $5,000 even at initial stages. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating personalized chatbots tailored to your specific needs using your own business data. Whether you are looking to improve customer service, streamline communication, or enhance the user experience, CustomGPT.ai offers a powerful solution which we'll be seeing in just a while. As businesses, we understand the importance of engaging with our customers in a meaningful way. Every business which has an online presence in 2024 needs to leverage a super customer service for growing its business. And it's not easy for any business which is just starting in the market to hire people for providing the customer services. That's where the value of AI chatbots come in. However, generic one-size-fits-all chatbots often fall short in delivering the personalized experience that today's customers expect. That's where CustomGPT.ai comes in. CustomGPT.ai allows you to train your own AI chatbots using your own business data, giving you full control over the conversation flow and ensuring that your chatbots are perfectly tailored to your brand and your customers. But that's not all. With custom chatbots, you can engage your customers in more meaningful conversations, leading to better satisfaction and loyalty. You can just say goodbye to long waiting times and generic responses. Custom chatbots can streamline communication, providing instant, relevant answers to your customers' queries. Moreover, if you are an AI developer or entrepreneur, CustomGPT.ai offers you the opportunity to monetize your expertise by selling custom-trained chatbots so easily to businesses looking to enhance their customer experience. And you can also cut your budget off by getting rid of hiring extra people for customer services. So whether you're a small business owner looking to improve customer support or an entrepreneur looking to monetize your AI expertise by selling custom trained chatbots, CustomGPT.ai has got you covered. Now let's dive in and see how easy it is to create your own custom chatbot with CustomGPT.ai. Let's first take start with its very cheap pricing. Its standard package is almost just $90 per month. Now it's time for some calculations. For example, you have just 4 potential clients and you are charging them, say, just $500 per month. So it's a total of $2,000 per month only from 4 clients. And if you are registered with even this package, you are still almost $1,650 in profit only from 4 potential clients if you are only charging $500. But this is not the case. In most the cases, people are charging even more than $1,000 for selling these kind of chatbots. So it's super cheap and super simple. It always have a free trial of 7 days. You can take off by using this package, and once you get started, you can also shift your package to premium, which is $449 per month. And now let's get into it, and you'll be satisfied with these prices when you'll see the easy workflow of this service. Once you are logged in, you'll be popped up with this main dashboard. You have to just go into this create project option for starting your first project. You see the 3 main features here, which is sitemap, upload, and the AWS S3, which is the coming soon feature. So we'll be dealing with these 2 features, which is sitemap and upload. Now what is a sitemap? This is the information about the every single page and word written on any website. This will help our chatbot to analyze and fetch the information from the pages of the website to give the exact answer to the customer's query. Whether you are working with your own website or any client's website, you have to just paste the sitemap of that website here and you can get started. We'll see in just a second that how you find the sitemap of any website. For example, let me go to Google for showing you an example. If I type in here accountants in UK, Just for taking a website for an example, for example, if I open this website, and we can see that this website has the about page and also some articles and enough information for providing to our chatbot, so we can just take a start using this website. So now we have to paste the sitemap of this website in our project. So now for fetching the sitemap of any website, you have to just type a / next to the URL and type sitemap.xml and hit the enter button. Here we can see the sitemap of this website. You have to just right click on it and copy link. And after that you have to again go to our project and paste this sitemap here. And here we can see a green icon. You can also use this sitemap finder for fetching the sitemap of any website. You have to simply paste the URL of any website in this sitemap finder and you will get the sitemap from there. And after that, let's name our project, which we can use the name of their website, which is Fusion Accountants. And after that, just hit the create project button. It may take some time to fetch all the data from the website. Now after just reloading the page one time after some seconds, the number of items found and indexed and words which are stored in the chatbot. Now before jumping into this chatbot and deploying it, we can manage some settings by going into this settings gear in the top right corner. You'll be redirected to project settings. If I go to the data, in this section, first of all you find the sitemap that we have provided. You can add more sitemaps from here. If I go to this upload section, we can upload different files here from our computer for training our chatbot, which may help our chatbot to understand better. You can also connect your Zapier account from here if you have the one. For those who don't know, Zapier is a platform which connects the web apps to the services. If someone has got any Zapier account or even your client has got the one, you can integrate that Zapier account for making the chatbot better. And here are more Confluence apps which can be connected again for making our chatbot work better. And if I go to this chatbot section, here are some settings you can manage. You can upload a custom photo for the avatar of that chatbot. This may be the logo of the company or any chatbot's icon. You can simply customize it. And you can also manage the colors from here. And if I scroll down, you can also change the default prompt from here. Just go to this edit section and you can now edit it. What do you wish to know today? Just for example, right? And you can also manage the citations from here. And here are some other options you can take a look at. You can place the custom messages at all of these places. It's up to you. And if I go into this conversation settings section, the very first thing here is response source, which is default. Means if you want your chatbot to respond to user queries only using your content that you have provided to it, you can select this my content. And if you want the content you provided plus ChatGPT's AI, you can select this option. Now it will generate the responses based on the content you have provided, and it can also take the help from ChatGPT's AI. Okay, let's make it default for the time. Next is the very interesting thing here. CustomGPT.ai does not only provide chatbot services in English. You can also select Hindi and French and all of the other languages you can take a look at here. Here are all the major languages of the world. You can provide your services using any language you want. And after that, you can select the model, which is GPT-4 Turbo, GPT-4 and GPT 3.5. Next, you can enable or disable the citations, and citations view can be customized according to your desire. And by default, this thing will be written at the bottom of your chatbot, which is powered by CustomGPT.ai. If you want to remove it, you have to purchase a premium plan, and there will be no branding by CustomGPT.ai. And you can also enable a reCAPTCHA for using your chatbot, and you can customize this message, which is I don't know the answer, when your chatbot does not know the answer. For example, I can write here, I can't answer this query yet. Is there something else I can help with? You got it, right? You can customize these messages according to your wish. And you can also add a custom message when the conversation ends. For example, you can write here, have a great day. So you can customize all the conversation setting in this section. Next comes the custom persona. This is the most interesting thing here. We'll explore this feature in just a bit. First, let me show you that how our bot is working. Once you have customized these settings according to your desire, after that you can go into this Ask Me Anything section, And let's see that how our bot is working. I'm going to ask a question like, what happens if I miss my tax return deadline? Now the answer it is generating is fetched from a web page which is linked within the website. Let's try with another question. Should I buy a car through my limited company? Let's hit the search. And again it's working fine. This information is again related to one of the pages which is linked with the website. And this does not only just copy paste the information, but it also makes a beautiful sense and provide the exact answer which is required by the user. Now let's talk about that feature that I was talking earlier, which is custom persona. This is the feature you can use for training your chatbot more. You can customize your chatbot's behavior to control its personality traits and role to fit your use case. Let me show you an example for your better understanding. So this was how you can customize or control the behavior of your chatbot using the custom persona option. Now let's see the sharing option for your chatbot or how you can deploy it. Let me again go to settings, and if I go to this last sharing option in this tab, here you first of all get the share link option. You can directly share your chatbot with anyone by just copying this link from here. If you want a private sharing, you can copy this link, and if you want to publicly share it, you can copy this link from here. And if you want your client to embed this chatbot anywhere in his website, you can get into this embed option, and after that scroll down here and just copy the following code and paste it into the body section where you want the chatbot box and generated responses to render. Just ask your client to paste in the body section. If he has hired a programmer or he himself is a programmer, he knows well that what is a body section. You just have to give him this code, they'll paste it, and your chatbot will be ready to go there. And if you want your chatbot to be appeared as a live chat, you can get into this section, again scroll down, copy this link and paste in the body section where your client or you want the live chat to be appearing. This can again be deployed as a chat window by copying and pasting this code again. If you have a programming background, you can take a deep look at all of these options, that how they work. The next option here is search generative experience. This is a new way to search your website using the generative AI. If you paste this code in your website or your client pastes it in his website, he will get a new experience to search his website using this chatbot. And last option here is API. If you are aware of APIs, you better know that what is it, and it can be used to integrate your chatbot anywhere by just creating an API. Just go into this option, name your API, and just hit this option here, create API key. And in this way, your chatbot may be applied anywhere you or your client wants. You can explore more of customgpt.ai's potential when you sign up on it. Again, it's super cheap. If you get only one potential client for you, or even if you have your own business, you can start generating a really handsome amount of income just by using this simple chatbot. You have to just sign up on the platform, go into this create project section and start customizing your chatbot and it hardly takes 10 to 15 minutes. Now you tell me in the comments that how was your experience using this custom GPT.ai. If you have any of the questions, you can let me know in the comments, and you can always contact me on Instagram or wherever on the social media accounts. I am always available. So I'll catch you up in the next one. Thank you so much.